Brian from Sierra Training Group. We're here at the WAC for the inaugural Contact Front Tactical Rifle Tactical Pistol Workshop. We're going hot. Shooter ready. Move! Threat! Threat! You're hit! Left arm! You're hit! Left arm! Bleeding out! Arterial! Threat! He's down! He's down! 30. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Good. One. Move. Gun, gun, gun! Communicate.
Moving. Target. Move.
Help!
Gun, gun, gun!
In 3, 2, 1. Move. Help! Help! Help us! Help us! Please help us! Help! Please!
Go.
An active assailant. Last known information was that in this particular structure, a person, or possibly two, ended up in the further northwest room, and that's where they may be barricaded with some teachers that were being held against their will. It's up to you to go in there and save them. 3, 2, 1, move. Stimulus, 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 stimulus. Move. Shooter ready. Move. All right, sir, there's going to be a shoot and move drill. Transitions are inherent. If need be, do what you need to do. Take appropriate action. Station 1 is going to be this table. Station 2 is this set of barrels. Station 3, the next. Station 4 is the single barrel at the end. Shooter ready. Hit. Fix it, fix it. Nice. That's it, Chase. Yeah, work through it, work through it. If it's too jammed up, transition to handgun.
All out.
All right. And cold. And your primary weapon being your rifle, you're going to engage the target downrange, the blue man, 2 rounds. Upon the call of threat, you're going to walk tactically backwards around this obstacle and to your right, engaging target number 2 as needed with 2 rounds. When I call transition, you're going to transition to a handgun. Give me 1 round, well placed, to either target, and continue to do so until I say transition again. Shooter ready. Threat. Fix it, fix it. Keep walking, keep situational awareness. Threat. Transition. Threat. Threat. Transition. Threat. Threat. All right. Starting at the 3-yard line, you're going to engage this target. 2 rounds on the command of threat. You're going to walk tactically backwards and to the right of this obstacle that is behind us. Engaging target number 2 with 2 rounds until I say transition. When I say transition, you're going to transition to your pistol. 1 round accurately placed. Let's do headshots. Headshots with the handgun. I'm going to call transition again. You're going to go back to your primary rifle. 2 rounds as needed until I call cold. Shooter ready. Threat. Threat. Transition. Threat. Transition. Threat. Threat. Transition. Threat. Threat. Oh. Shooter ready.
Ready.
Move. Threat. Threat. 2 threats. 2 threats. 2 threats. You're shot. You're shot. Left arm. BGs are down. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. All right, on the command of threat, shooter's going to go through the various shooting positions that were instructed: standing, kneeling, prone, strong side prone, on your back, prone. I'm sorry, on your back, strong side. Recover to a kneeling position, bang, bang, and then recover to cold, standing position. Shooter ready.
Ready.
Hit. Nice. Atta boy. Let's go, Dimitri. Catch up. Nice.